Hello, this is Chris from Paladec, and on this video we are going to learn how to add and edit new users to our website using the WordPress platform. First, we need to go to the left bar where it says users. We are going to click on add new. And here we can see some of the requirements we need to fill for our new users. We need a username first. We are going to choose user1. And for an email we are going to choose user1@mail.com, and in a non-required manner we can add a name, a last name, a website, and we can show the password of the user. In this case is quite the strong one, as you can see. We can enable the mail notification, and we can give it a role: a subscriber, a contributor, an author, an editor, an administrator. We are going to give it a subscriber role to our new user, and we are going to add a new user. And we have the list of users. We have ourselves and user number 1. We're going to edit it, and as you can see we have the possibility to disable the visual editor when writing. We can choose the color scheme of the admin. There are the colors of the theme by default. We can enable a shortcut for comment moderation. We can show the toolbar when visiting the site. We have the username. We can change the role or give another role for the site. We can add the name, the last name, give it a nickname to the user, and select how it will be displayed on the site as the name of the user or a nickname. We can edit the contact info, adding or changing the mail and the website. We can add some biographical info of the user and see the profile picture and generate a new password. If we change the role of the user to an author, we can click on the user to change those, to save those changes, and that's it. We have created a new user using our WordPress platform. If you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on those sites. See you the next time on Paladec.